You know what truly worries me? When someone walks into my office, usually older, tired, and says, Dr. Lee, I'm exhausted. My stomach is always bloated. I feel sick. I can't sleep. And when I look in the mirror, I don't even recognize myself. But it's not always age, number. More often, it's a tired liver and a clogged gut. They've been neglected, like an old basement nobody cleaned in 10 years. The saddest part? They've already spent hundreds of dollars on pills, but they still feel terrible. So I tell them gently, let's not start with medicine. Let's start with food. The liver and gut, your silent heroes. Your liver is more than just an organ. It's your body's personal filter. Every bite you take, every breath you breathe, every pill you swallow, it all goes through your liver, and yet it never complains. It filters toxins, it processes fats, it protects you from harm, all day, every day. But when it gets overwhelmed, it slows down. Imagine a kitchen vent clogged with grease after years of use. That's what happens inside your liver, unless we help it. And your gut? It's not just for digestion. It holds 80% of your immune system. It makes vitamins. It even affects your mood and energy. When your gut is sluggish, everything suffers. You feel tired, heavy, and mentally foggy. You eat, but feel worse afterward. Listen to the warning signs. Your body speaks. We just have to listen. Here are the most common signals that your liver and gut need help. A bitter taste in the mouth, especially in the morning. Bloating after meals, constipation or irregular bowel movements, dull skin, bad breath, constant fatigue. People often say, well, I'm getting older. But no, these are not just signs of age. They are messages. And now I'll show you how to answer them. Not with medicine, but with a warm bowl of healing porridge, the healing power of porridge. Let's begin with the simplest, most gentle medicine. Porridge. It cleanses. It restores. It works. Number 1. Flaxseed porridge ground. Flaxseed mixed with warm water forms a soft gel. It coats your gut, heals irritation, and gently clears toxins. It's rich in omega-3s, great for inflammation and mood. How to prepare. Grind 1 to 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. Pour in warm, not boiling, water. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. Optional. Add a pinch of cinnamon or a drop of honey. No sugar, please. Number 2. Buckwheat. Buckwheat is your liver's best friend. It's packed with magnesium, iron, and fiber. It helps flush out waste and stabilize your blood sugar. How to use. Boil it plain, or soak it overnight with kefir. Eat it for breakfast for 7 to 10 days. 3. Millet. Millet helps your gallbladder, the little partner of your liver. It keeps bile moving. That's crucial after age 50. Cook millet with water in a 1 to 3 ratio. Add rosehip tea or grated apple for flavor. 4. Brown rice. Brown rice acts like a sponge. It pulls out the leftovers, medications, toxins, preservatives, gently. Without stress, soak overnight, cook slowly. Add turmeric or grated apple for a detox boost. 5. Oats. Oats are a gentle broom. They sweep the gut clean without irritation. Use classic rolled oats. Cook in water. Add apple, flax oil, or cinnamon. Keep it simple, keep it soft. 6. Barley. Barley supports good gut bacteria. It helps reduce bloating and keeps you regular. Soak it overnight. Cook with a little olive oil or carrot. Mild taste, big results. 7. Rye porridge. Especially good for seniors with weak digestion. Rye gently stimulates without gas or heaviness. Boil with water. Add apple or cinnamon. It's calming, grounding, and deeply nourishing. What to avoid for 7 to 10 days. If you're cleansing, some foods must stay off your plate just for a while. Avoid fried foods. They damage liver cells. Red meat and dairy, heavy, hard to digest coffee and alcohol. They stress the liver, white bread and sugar. They feed bad gut bacteria. This isn't punishment. It's a pause, a chance to let your body breathe again. How to eat healing porridge the right way. A few important rules. Cook with water or plant milk. No dairy, no butter, no sugar. Use cinnamon, fruit, or a little honey one. Eat it first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach. 2. Be consistent. 7 to 10 days makes a difference. And keep your portions small. 2 to 3 spoonfuls is enough. It's not about quantity, it's about rhythm. Final words. If you really listen, your body will tell you what it needs. You don't always need more pills. Sometimes, all it takes is a bowl of warm porridge, served with love, patience, and care. I've seen thousands of people recover their energy, mood, and strength, starting from the gut. Let your breakfast become your medicine. Let food do its quiet, healing work. You'll feel lighter, clearer, stronger. Start with kindness. Start with porridge. And trust, your body knows how to heal. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with someone who might need it. Take care, and see you in the next video.